In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a study planner in Microsoft Word using tables and checklists. We'll build 3 practical layouts: a weekly timetable to map your time, an assignment tracker with clickable checkboxes, and a daily deep dive planner for focused study days. I'll also show you how to find free templates so you don't have to start from scratch. Let's begin with the weekly timetable. In Word, go to the Insert tab, choose Table, and create a grid with a column for time and one column for each day of the week. In the time column, add 30-minute or 1-hour increments, like 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., so you can visually block your day. Click inside the table to open the table design tools, then use shading to color code your subjects or activities. For example, green for study time, blue for classes, and yellow for downtime. Keep colors consistent so your eyes learn the pattern. Leave a few empty blocks for unexpected tasks or breaks, and don't be afraid to merge cells for multi-hour sessions. Adjust column widths so everything is easy to read, and use AutoFit to keep the layout tidy. Next, set up an assignment tracker. You can use a list, but a simple table works best with columns for course, assignment, due date, status, and priority. To make it interactive, enable the Developer tab by going to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and turning on Developer. Then use the checkbox content control to add clickable boxes in the status column. As deadlines approach, use basic shading to highlight urgent due dates. If your list grows large, consider moving it to Excel for powerful sorting and filtering, while keeping a summarized view in Word. For intense study periods, create a daily deep dive planner. Use a vertical layout with the date at the top and headings for specific tasks or study sessions. Break your time into Pomodoro sections, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break, and list them so you can track momentum. Add a simple to-do area and a notes section for questions or reflections that come up as you study. At the top, include your top 3 goals for the day to keep priorities clear. If you prefer a head start, open Word, go to File, New, and search for terms like Student Planner, Timetable, or Class Schedule. Pick a template that fits your style and customize colors, fonts, and time blocks. Save your planner, update it regularly, and print or use it digitally, whatever keeps you consistent and organized.